The Magic 5 Pro, the newest flagship device from Honor, has a triple camera setup with the most recent Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. The vivid 6.8-inch display and IP68 water resistance rating add to this phone's ability to meet most of the criteria for a 2023 flagship. In the first half of this year, except for Apple, the market shares of all phone manufacturers have declined to varying degrees. In the domestic phone market, Honor is the only smartphone manufacturer that has increased its market share. It can be seen that after leaving Huawei, Honor's supply chain has been fully popularized, and now the new generation of flagships has also been exposed. At present, the Honor Magic 5 Pro has been exposed. The front uses a 6.81-inch AMOLED screen, supports 2K resolution and 120Hz high refresh rate, and integrates 1920Hz high-frequency PWM dimming technology. In addition, the screen of the Honor Magic 5 Pro also incorporates 3D structured light technology, so the visual effect is very good. In terms of hardcore configuration, the Honor Magic 5 Pro will still be equipped with the Qualcomm chip, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 flagship chip. Since the previous generation of chips was handed over to Samsung, it did not handle power consumption very well. Therefore, this time the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is handed over to TSMC for production, so the performance and power consumption will be even better. This time, the Honor Magic 5 Pro has also done a very good job in the imaging system. The main camera is equipped with a 1-inch outsole sensor, and it has a 20-megapixel super freeform surface lens, a 13-megapixels periscope telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixels telephoto lens. At the same time, it is also equipped with a TOF lens, and achieves 15x optical zoom, and the shooting effect is very good. In terms of battery life and fast charging, the Honor Magic 5 Pro will have a built-in large 5100 mAh battery. Compared with the previous generation, the battery specification has also been upgraded, and the battery life is strong. Not only that, in order to match the charging speed of the new phone with the battery life, the Honor Magic 5 Pro is also equipped with 100 watts wired fast charging. This year, the Magic 4 released by Honor is also a very outstanding flagship. In terms of appearance, the Honor Magic 4 adopts a full-screen appearance with a central digging hole, and at the same time adds a curved screen packaging process, so the overall appearance of the phone is very online. On the screen, the Honor Magic 4 uses a 6.81-inch screen, which is still AMOLED. The screen also integrates 120Hz high refresh rate technology and 1920Hz high-frequency PWM dimming technology, so the screen parameters of the phone are already full. Because the screen quality is too good, many people choose Honor Magic 4. In terms of core hardware, the Honor Magic 4 is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 flagship processor, which is a 4nm strong core, so the core performance of the Honor Magic 4 is very powerful. In addition, in terms of battery life and fast charging, the Honor Magic 4 has a built-in 4800 mAh large battery, which can fully extend the battery life experience, and also supports 66 watts wired fast charging. Many flagship phones this year have cancelled the periscope telephoto lens in the image, but Honor Magic 4 not only retains it, but also has 8 megapixels, and supports optical image stabilization, 5x optical zoom and 50x digital zoom. At the same time, there is also a 50-megapixel high-spec 7p wide-angle main camera lens, and a 50-megapixel 122 degrees ultra-wide-angle camera. Not only that, the imaging system of Honor Magic 4 also incorporates self-developed computational photography technology, so the shooting ability is very strong, and the shooting experience is perfect. The better point is that the price of the phone has been reduced for sale now, and this is also the first price drop of 700 yuan for the Honor Magic 4, so if you like this flagship, don't hesitate to purchase it early and enjoy it early. Thank you for watching this video, have a nice day and see you soon.